In this video, we're going to take a look at setting up the J-Rater for a carrier. The first step is to go to our own profile, and then we will go to the Credentials tab. You'll want to add, using the plus sign at the top right, your new credential for your carrier. The type that you will select would be J-Rate, and then you will type in your username, and then your password for that carrier. Also, you will select which location this company belongs to, and then you will select that company or carrier. Make sure to put in your agency code and then any notes for this credential that are relevant, and then click on Save. You could also do this if you were helping others in your agency to set up their credentials. You could view their profile, you could go to the Credentials tab, and you could add their credential for them as well. Just be sure to select J-Rate and then the carrier of your choice, in which the one you are setting up. After adding that credential, you are ready to do a rate through J-Rater. Thank you.